Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love about Sweet Daisy. It has been a hard week, but I do know deep down she's in a better place. She's no longer suffering. And it's just sad. I mean, if you've ever lost a pet, you know. We lost Zaylee to like a freak accident. I think it's been 3 years ago. So we've lost 2 dogs in a very short amount of time, and I'm never getting another dog. We're gonna keep Millie, obviously, until she's old and passes away, but no more dogs for me. My heart can't handle it anymore. But anyway, I want to take you in my laundry room today and do a declutter, just clean it up. It's pretty messy, dusty. I don't know when the last time I vacuumed in there, but it just needs it, and I want to take you along. And then I want to give it a little refresh. I have a little baker's rack in there that I would love to make cute. I want to hang some things on the walls. The laundry room also is like a storage room. Our storage room is attached to it, but the storage room is not big enough for all the things that need to be stored. And so there are some other things out in the laundry area part, but it's kind of like in a corner, and I think I can make it look presentable and cute. So I hope you will join me, and if you're new here, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And I'm really working on 1 video a week. I'm shooting for Sundays, and then anything else will be extra. So I am really excited about it. I have got ideas going, and I've got a list of video ideas, so I'm really excited, and I hope you are too. But without further ado, let's do the laundry room. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by deep cleaning my washer. I've never done this before, but I just read the directions, and it's saying to put 2 cups of distilled white vinegar and then 2 cups of super washing soda. So that is what we're going to do. I'm just gonna eyeball this. And my washer is fairly new. We need to get new ones last year because they, ironically, both of them went out at the same time. We've had the other ones since we got married. So mine has a self-cleaning spot on it, so I'm just gonna push that, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get it clean and smelling good. I actually really like my top loader. I don't find that it smells at all. We do keep the lid open when we're not using it, but anyway, you don't care about my washer and dryer. I'm just starting by cleaning off this baker's rack. It just has a lot of garbage, a lot of cleaning products that we use, but I haven't kept up on it. It's just been a catch-all place. The kids, you know, throw their garbage on here as well because they do help with a little bit of the laundry. I, however, do most of the laundry. I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about that in this video. I am one of those people that has to do the laundry all in one day because I don't enjoy doing laundry. And so in my mind, I think just having to do it once a week is a way better than having to do it every single day. Now, is it the most practical thing? No, because I also have 3 teenagers that also are in sports, so there's just always a lot of laundry. But if they want something washed throughout the week, they end up washing it themselves. And like in that basket there, it's just like extra cleaning products, things that my husband has used, like floor cleaners, like detergent to wash his hunting clothes. And so I'm just going through there, taking out what I can take upstairs and then putting everything back. I decided to put these baskets of products in my actual storage room to make room on this baker's rack for other things. And this basket is all of the stuff for our dogs and our, why can't I think of the word? Iron. That's what it is. So just going to tidy this up here and organize it the best that I can. And then we will move on to vacuuming everything because it's so dusty. It's not like, it's just dusty down here. You get lint and hair and dog hair and all of those kinds of things. So I'm just going to clean that up and then wipe off these shelves, give them a good wipe down, and then we will start on cleaning off the washer and dryer as well. In this clip, I just did the tops of them, and then I come back later and do the full cleaning of them, except for the washer I didn't do in the video. I did, however, do it after I ran that cleaning cycle because I wanted to get it really nice and cleaned and wiped down. So I have some of that soda wash that I had left over, and I originally put it in that tin, and then I was like, wait a second, I think I want to use my tin for my laundry pods, and so I switched them out, and then dumped my laundry pods in to this bin. I have never really used the laundry pods until recently, but I do that because I don't have a way to like use the liquid in my washer because you have to pull out that thing and then put the liquid in. Anyway, long story short, it just became a mess. So I'm now using the pods. I'm not sure I love them. I'm not sure I hate them, but just thought I'd let you know. We definitely use all of Kirkland brand dryer sheets, detergent. We use Kirkland brand everything for garbage bags, mostly anything. Anyway, love my label maker here. I will link it below. I will link anything I can below from this video, but this is so fun and it's super easy to put a label on things, and I love just the look of the black and the white letters. So I'm going to use this little plastic bin here for my dryer sheets, and then I also made a little tag for the soda wash so that I just remembered what was in there. And then I'm just going to wipe things down really well. Again, it's not super dirty, it's just dusty. So I'm going to give everything a good wipe down, and then I'm going to take the towels that are in the dryer out because they got done, and I am going to vacuum out the lint out of there, because one thing I don't love about this dryer is there's always lint buildup, and I don't know, it's like from going in and out, the lint thing from going in and out. So I do have to take my vacuum every so often and vacuum it out because it just builds up. Anyway, I'm going to take all my towels out and then do the vacuuming. And then I will be done with this, and we are ready to refresh the space with some decor. Nothing is new. I had everything on hand, and I really suggest that you do that. If you have a little space where you're just like, man, it needs a little something, shop your house, because I'm sure you can create a whole new look with stuff you already have at home. You can't really tell from this video, but that's a pretty big wall there. And so I'm breaking it kind of up into two sections. I'm going to hang this basket on the wall. You know, I love a good basket on the wall. I share that all the time. And then I just have these greenery picks left over. They're from Hobby Lobby. I've had them for several years. And then above this little baker's rack, if you're wondering where the baker's rack came from, I actually bought that from a neighbor probably 10 years ago because I loved it so much. It was so cute. And so I don't have a link for it. Sorry. But I added that picture above the baker's rack. And then I'm going to add a little bit of greenery because greenery makes everything better in my opinion, and it does really like brighten up this space. You'll see in just a second. And then I've had these tin containers from Walmart for several years before I moved into this house, and I just love them, and they're still available, so I will link them. They're just so cute, and I love that they're like a creamy white. They're not bright white. And then on this second shelf, I have a bunch of rags that I made by just cutting up a towel for cleaning. And so I wanted to put those in a basket because sometimes things get spilled down here and we need a rag. Or if we're like coming down, our mop and stuff is also in this little storage room behind that. So if I'm going to clean, I have a bucket and a mop and all of that. And so I sometimes need a rag. And then I have my little jar of soda wash I'm going to add to there. Right next to the basket of towels, I put my dryer sheets. I am very low on dryer sheets, so I need to buy some more. But anyway, and then I have this Lazy Susan just left over from when I did a pantry refresh a few years ago. And it's from Walmart, the Home Edit edition. And then I just had some backup cleaning products, some Clorox wipes, some my vinegar, and some glass cleaner. And then I have a little bottle of paint that I used to paint something in Ainsley's room, and I don't want to get rid of it, and so I just have it on there. And then we used those bars. It was like an orange bar you saw, and you see the white one there, a lot on sports clothes. And if you haven't heard of them, they're just like a bar. You just kind of scrub the stain with it, and then it really works on getting them out. And then in this basket down here is something else I had previously in my pantry, and that's where I'm going to put our steamer and our iron and our little lint cutter thing. If you don't have one of those, I highly recommend them. We use them all the time. I think that's like our third one. We use it on our couch, we use it on our clothes, we use it on our bedding, all the things. And then I'm just going to finish off this space with a rug. This was a Studio McGee rug from Target that I used upstairs that I'm no longer, and so I just found it a new home down here. And I love the way that this little space turned out. I think it just adds enough of function and beauty. If you're new here, I am all about function first and then beauty, because we live in this house and we have to live in this house. It's not just a showroom. And so I still think it looks really nice and functional, and just kind of brought this little space to life. It's such a drag. One of the things I have invested in is those laundry baskets. They are from Costco, and they are so good. The wheels on there are so durable. And when you have lots of heavy clothes and you want to wheel that stuff around from room to room, I've noticed that the cheaper carts, the wheels just don't hold up. But those are good, really good laundry baskets if you're in the market. I wish I would have bought 3, but I'm hoping Costco comes out with them again, and I'm going to snag one more. And then I'm just giving you a close-up of all of that. And then I have this table here, and I just wanted to hang this wreath. You can see it's kind of falling apart, and it's because I haven't taken very good care of it in my storage closet of home decor. And so I wanted it on the wall so it didn't get smashed and all of that. And that was a great place for it, just to add a little bit of life to that wall. That wall is huge, and I could probably put several other things on there, but I don't have anything right now. So I'm just going to finish up folding those towels that I took out of the dryer. We like to use a lot of white towels here just because it's convenient, but I have towels that go upstairs and I have towels that go downstairs, and I like to fold them a specific way because they fit in my cupboard perfectly when I fold them in a certain way. My kids hate it. Aaron hates it. Everybody hates it but me. That's why I just fold them myself usually. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you can see that I took an absolute disaster and turned it into something pretty. And I didn't spend any money, and I want to be in this space now. Just looked at my laundry room this way. It would look really cute. But let me be real, because this is our washer and dryer, and then we have our water softener, and we have junk, and then we have our utility closet, and then we have all of this and our treadmill. And I don't want to make you too sick, but then over here in there you can see that's where I keep all my home decor. I need to go in there after the holidays. It's kind of a mess. And then this is where I fold all my laundry on this table. And then there's some tubs here. You can see a little bit of more home decor that I need to either go through and get rid of or find a place for it or something. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care.